Welcome to Easy Go Life, where we simplify digital success, explore cutting-edge tech, game-changing marketing hacks, and more, crafted to inspire and empower every generation. Let's innovate and
Welcome
thrive
back
together.
to our Learn Website Designing and Development from Scratch series. In our previous video, we explored the basic structure of an HTML document and laid the foundation for creating well-structured web pages. In this third installment, we're going to bring those pages to life with CSS, or cascading style sheets. While HTML gives our web pages structure, CSS allows us to add style and visual appeal, transforming plain text and simple layouts into engaging, professional websites. We'll start by understanding what CSS is and its crucial role in web design. Then, we'll delve into the basic syntax of CSS, learning how to use selectors, properties, and values to style our HTML elements effectively. Next, we'll explore the three main ways to apply CSS: inline, internal, and external, each with its own use cases and advantages. Finally, we'll get hands-on with styling text, colors, backgrounds, and borders to make our web pages truly stand out. Get ready to elevate your web design skills as we dive into the world of CSS and discover how to make your web pages visually stunning. Let's get started. To understand web design fully, we need to dive into CSS, cascading style sheets. CSS is what adds style and flair to your web pages, transforming basic HTML structures into visually engaging designs. In this section, we'll explore how CSS controls colors, fonts, layouts, and more, making your websites not only functional, but also visually appealing. Let's see how CSS can enhance your web design projects. CSS stands for Cascading Style Sheets. It is used to control the appearance of web pages. While HTML provides the structure, CSS adds style, making the web pages look attractive and visually appealing. CSS can change the colors, fonts, spacing, and layout of your HTML elements. In this section, we'll break down the fundamental components of CSS. You'll learn about selectors, properties, and values, the building blocks of styling your web pages. This foundational knowledge will help you understand how to target HTML elements and apply styles effectively, ensuring your design looks just the way you want it to. CSS is written in a simple language with a specific structure. Selectors. These select the HTML elements you want to style. For example, P selects all paragraph elements. Properties. These define what aspect of the selected elements you want to change. For example, color changes the text color. Values. These specify the new appearance you want for the property. For example, red changes the text color to red. Example. This code changes all paragraph, P, text to red, and sets the font size to 16 pixels. In this section, we'll explore the three primary methods for applying CSS to your HTML: inline, internal, and external. Each of these methods offers different advantages and is suited to various scenarios in web development. Inline CSS allows you to apply styles directly within HTML elements. This approach is useful for quick, specific styling, but can become cumbersome for larger projects. Internal CSS involves placing your styles within a style tag inside the head of your HTML document. This method centralizes styling within the HTML file, making it easier to manage multiple styles for that particular page. External CSS involves linking to a separate CSS file from your HTML document. This method is ideal for managing styles across multiple pages, promoting consistency, and reducing redundancy. Understanding these methods will help you effectively style your web pages and maintain a clean, organized codebase. There are three ways to add CSS to your HTML. Inline CSS, directly within an HTML tag using the style attribute. Example. Internal CSS, within a style tag inside the head of your HTML document. Example. External CSS, in a separate CSS file linked to your HTML document. Example. In this segment, we'll dive into the fundamentals of styling web pages with CSS. We'll cover how to enhance the appearance of your text, choose and apply colors, set backgrounds, and define borders. By mastering these basic styling techniques, you'll be able to transform your web page from plain to polished, giving it a unique look and feel. Let's explore how to bring your web design to life with CSS. Text. You can change the font, size, color, and alignment. Example. In this video, we covered the essentials of CSS, transforming your web pages with style and design. Next, we'll dive into Introduction to JavaScript, where you'll learn how to add interactivity to your site. We'll explore JavaScript basics, including how to manipulate the DOM and create dynamic features. Stay tuned to bring your web pages to life with interactive elements. See you in the next video.
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, give us a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more exciting content on tech, inspiration, and lifestyle, make sure to subscribe and join our community. Got a topic you want us to cover? Drop a comment below and let us know.